What's good, YouTube? It's Gunworks for you, and today I got an unboxing. Got the Glock 19, my first ever Glock. Let's get into it. First ever Glock. Sheesh! Look at all those goodies. Let's take a look at that bad boy. Yes, it is unloaded. Let's take a look at those sides. Yes, Lord. It came with 3 15-round magazines. I did throw a +2 on this one, so there is 17. And for those that don't know, Glock does not have a safety. The only safety mechanism they have is in the trigger. You can't make the trigger go back unless you pull that lever. Once you pull that lever, it shoots. There is a drop safety. So if you drop the gun by accident with one up top, it will not discharge. An amazing, beautiful gun. One of the best Glock 9mm. I got some more goodies. I got a 31-round magazine. I got a Magpul, whatever you call it, 21 mag. And then I got the Glock 19X, 17 mag with the +2, so 19. 19 and the 19. Let's get it. I have like medium-sized hands, so the Glock fits perfectly in my hand. That's what it looks like with the +2 on it. With the flat 15. What it looks like with the 19 and the 19. The 21. And then that big boy. The 31 rounder. All these options out the Glock 19.